Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 EMA on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then click on this F icon right here. Click on the F plus and click on moving average. Now go to period. Let's start with, for example, with the 20. Method, make sure you choose exponential. Okay. And now here style, this is for the thickness of your EMA. I will choose, for example, 4 pixel. And this one is the color. So I will choose, for example, pink. Click on done. If we go back, as you can see here, this is our EMA. Okay, the 20 EMA. Now let's add the 50 EMA. Click on the F again, F plus, moving average. Change this one to 50. Make sure the method is on exponential. Thickness I will keep 4 pixel, but the color I will change it, for example, to, let's say, for example, this color. Okay, click on done. Let's go back, and as you can see, this is the 50 EMA and this one is the 20 EMA, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.